Hey Kim, it's Josh Betzel. I spoke with Tracy earlier today and she was sweet enough to give me this email so I could send this video over to you. Basically, this video is going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to start bringing more customers to your business. And you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. What if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself? That totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not necessarily just talking about the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. Google really likes to see around 1,500 words on your home page, and when I went up to my word counter, you came up with about 213. So first step is add some content, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they look and crawl through content looking for keywords, but the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool. It costs you about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will easily last you a couple of months, but basically shows you what keywords your website is ranking for. And so far that you're not ranked number 1 for any of these keywords, but you are ranked. So I'm gonna go over here to your competition, which is Energy Seal Jacks, and they're your competition because when we type in spray foam installation, Jacksonville, Florida, they're the first organic website that pops up there for your competition. When I went over to their Keywords Everywhere tool from their website, these are the keywords they're ranked number 1 for. Spray foam installation, Jacksonville, Florida, spray foam installation, Jacksonville, Florida. They're getting ranked a little bit higher in the other ones as well, which could absolutely be helping them. So all this volume and all these globals that they're ranked for, those are eyes that could be going right to the website instead of yours. The second thing I want to talk about was citations. And citations is how you get ranked to this map pack. But actually, right before I get to citations, I just want to go over this first page of Google. Of course, you get the ads, and ads are good, right? But research shows they're only semi-effective. It can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. So how do you get ranked to this map pack? And that's through citations. But the greatest thing I see is that you're actually already ranked number 1. So I would recommend just throwing citations in there monthly and just to keep that number 1 spot, okay? You really want about 200 to 300 citations to be untouched, absolutely, and you come up with 24, all right? And the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks and link juice. So what is this link juice I'm talking about? Well, this link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. I emphasize relative because that's so important. I kind of use the example of, would you rather be on the cover of Times Magazine or like the Freeport Journal? Another example I like to use is, let's use LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you, because let's be honest, you sling foam installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. So I go over here to my tool called Eris, and this is where I'm able to find that backlinks, link juice, guest post, citations. It shows me the drive of the website, the integrity. It also shows some organic keywords, just like the Keywords Everywhere tool does. But anyways, you came up with 57 referring domains and 201 backlinks, which isn't bad. But your competition over here has 64 referring domains and 508 backlinks. So in my opinion, I think that is where they're most likely beating you, is through those backlinks and link juice. So I just want to wrap this up by going over the 3 things that we talked about. And so the first thing was add more content with a lot of those keywords that we were showing you earlier today. You want about 1,500 words, especially on your homepage. And then the second thing was citations. Add some citations in your map pack monthly, so you make sure you get so you reserve your spot, and so you don't get kicked from the number 1 spot. And the third thing was link juice. All right, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority to obtain that organic number 1 spot on Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can honestly go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.